Welcome to a new video. We just got back from a really big plant store, and as you can see behind me are a lot of plants that we bought. The idea is that I'm gonna make the balcony look pretty again, because right now there's like trash and there are dead plants. Like, it just needs some love. So let's just start cleaning and see how it goes, and hopefully it turns out pretty. Yeah. Okay, let's go. These are the plants we got, and also some earth. This is a strawberry plant, which is very cute. These are just like all cute flowers. This is a lily. This one is a little spider plant, I think it's called. That's what it's called. I don't know how you say that, but yeah. And then these cute flowers. This one, lobelia, like this basic purple one. So yeah, let's get started. These towels are just here to dry, and they're dry so they can go inside. As you can see, they did not survive the winter. Yeah, I'm sorry plants, I tried. So I'm gonna have to replace all of these. Here is a cute flower, but I have to remove this one because it's gonna kill the little flower. And here is some other stuff growing. I don't really know what this is. I'm just gonna remove this one. I think this is a flower as well, and I don't know what that is. Maybe I'll leave it. I don't know yet. Depends how many flowers I have left. I think I'm just gonna remove and throw away all the dead ones first. I got it. Oh my goodness. That was hard. I'm thinking if I should like get these out and kind of replant them because they're all on the side. Maybe put them more in the middle. Not sure yet. I have to do this side first. I'm gonna get some water for the plants and mix it with a little bit of this. I'm keeping this part because it's so cute. Little moss. I think it looks cute here in the middle, right? Yes. Just got these solar lamps inside so I can clean them a little bit because they're super dirty and dusty. Ew. Nom nom. I'm almost done, but I'm gonna plant these leftover plants in these tiny pots. This is the moss that I had. So yeah, just gonna put them in here. Alright, I'm all done with the plants. Now I just have to clean up everything. It's so messy here. I have to throw away all these fake leaves and sort this out. So let's clean. Okay, it's starting to rain. I'm not done yet, but for today I'm done. I also want to buy some pillows for here, maybe also fake grass. So yeah, I'll have to do that another day. But for now, at least all the plants and flowers are looking very cute. So I'm happy with that. And yeah, now I'm gonna go inside and shower because I'm really gross from all the dirt. Alright, it is now a few days later and look what arrived. The new pillows from the chairs. I didn't open it yet, so let's open it up. It's reversible, so I can change if I'm tired of the stripes. I can just turn it around. Okay, let's try them out. Yesterday I wrapped this ivy around our table. I didn't film it because it was raining and windy, but yeah, it looks very cute. And it has a little light on top here. And it lights up. And I also hung up these little lights. I'll show them later when it's dark so you can see the little lights. And now all that's left are these pillows. Cute. I think I'm gonna go with the striped side for now at least. I think that was the last thing for the balcony cleanup. So now it's time for the review. Yay. Look how cute! This one got so big. Can't wait to see what they look like in a few weeks. To see them turn red will be so fun. We also got this plant new and it looks very plain, but actually if you rub it and smell it, it smells like cola. I don't know why, but it does, and it's so weird. It smells so good. It's so cool. So I'm all done. The only thing that I didn't do is get the fake grass for the floor. They didn't have it, and then I was like, well, whatever. I don't care anymore, it just want to be done. So yeah, my eyes are so sensitive, I can't see the sun. So yeah, I still hope you like how it turned out. It's not really makeover, it's just more like a spring clean and just freshening it up a bit. So yeah, I hope you liked it, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!